Hello everyone. Today we will solve a trigonometric problem which is sin theta minus cos theta is equals to 7 by 13. Then sin theta plus cos theta is equals to what? So let's solve this. First of all, we will square both sides from here. Whole square or we can write this into formula sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta is equals to 49 by 169. We everyone know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 minus 2 sin theta cos theta, 49 by 169. By 169 minus 1 or minus 2 sin theta cos theta is equals to, the LCM is 169, and from here 49 minus 169, and this is minus 120 by 169 minus 2 sin theta cos theta. We can cancel both sides the minus, so we have got the value 2 sin theta cos theta is equals to 120 by 169, and from here we will start again to find the value of sin theta plus cos theta. If we square this, we get sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta is equals to sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta. We have already get the value of 2 sin theta cos theta, which is 120 by 169. We will put the value and we will get 169, and from here the LCM 169 and 169 plus 120, we get 982 by 169. If we root over both sides, we get, this is the square of 17, this is 13. So this is our answer.